Making them little holes.
Them holes.
Making them holes.
Look at Ryan drill like a champ.
Drill like a champ. He's had practice with lots of tools. All right, let's see the dartboard.
Oh.
Show the viewer.
This is just the board that the dartboard's going into.
Perfect.
See, we could put our scores.
And it's like on a little whiteboard.
It's gonna be
That-
nice.
that little
Noise.
section. Nice.
I want to borrow. Is it okay if I open up the package for the?
Yeah, you can.
Open it. This is what it's gonna look like. Minus Cam.
Alright.
Ooh, feels
And
good.
then you just need to help me because I have no idea where it's at.
All right,
Can't see.
lift it up.
Up.
All right.
What do you want me to do?
Just hold it a little bit.
That I promised to get done 2 years ago.
One project. 2 years later.
I got extra chitty darts.
Let me inspect. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere.
It's on there good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
All right, this is the finale.
Oh, yeah, we haven't figured. Oh, what's that right there? Top. Right there. Is that hole? Oh, I thought it was holes. I was just checking.
It's just Schmidt, dude.
Schmidt from next door.
How do you? How do you?
I'm trying to figure this out.
You put the Schmidt right there.
All right, let's do it.
I see the vision.
You see the vision? Visionaries here.
I've never done a dartboard, so this is a new experience for me too.
Yeah, no, I've never.
Gotta start slow, like you can't just jam it in. Ooh, beautiful.
Look at that hole.
Look at that hole. Makes it go in nicer. Here we go. Now put her on.
The moment of truth.
Moment of truth. See if it's skiwampy. Oh, this is how you make a dartboard. Okay, go, Cam. Oh yeah. There you go. You've witnessed history. The first 4 throws of the World Cup Championship of darts in the garage.
Darts in the garage.
Darts in the garage, eh? Let's give the viewers some good form. Oh yeah. Oh, exquisite. He's reached the championship minus the last throw. It's terrible.